Imagine this. You're sitting at your laptop and an AI is working 24/7 to make you money, even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Not anymore. These 20 AI tools can make it happen in 2025. You don't want to miss this. We've all been there, working harder, juggling multiple tasks, and feeling like no matter how much effort we put in, we're still behind. The reality is, to thrive in today's world, you need to work smarter. AI can take your efforts and scale them tenfold, giving you more time, freedom, and income. 1. notebooklm. notebooklm is Google's AI-powered research assistant designed to help you make sense of complex information. It can take your notes, research papers, or documents and generate summaries, insights, or even answer questions about the content. How you can make money. Use notebooklm to streamline your research for content creation, academic writing, or client reports. For bloggers or consultants, this tool can be a game changer, speeding up your research process and letting you focus on creating more value. Research can be tedious and time-consuming. Imagine cutting your research time in half while still producing high-quality content. Save hours of your life and focus on doing what you love. Reduce research time by up to 50%. This next AI tool will have you rethinking your entire strategy. It's that powerful. 2. Journalist AI. Journalist AI automates the entire blogging process, from generating content to SEO optimization and social media syndication. Whether you want to create an autoblog or produce SEO-rich articles quickly, Journalist AI handles it all. How you can make money. Launch and manage multiple blogs or content websites without needing a team of writers. Journalist AI handles content creation, link building, and even keyword research, allowing you to scale your blogging business effortlessly. Managing a blog takes time and technical know-how. Journalist AI lets you run a full-time blog with just a few clicks, allowing you to build passive income. Generate and post a fully optimized blog post in less than 10 minutes. Imagine building a blogging empire while you focus on strategy, not day-to-day operations. What if I told you the next tool could automate a huge chunk of your workload? Get ready. 3. Neural Frames. Neural Frames is an AI video editing tool that automatically generates professional-level videos, complete with transitions, captions, and effects. How you can make money. As video content is in high demand, you can start a video production business using Neural Frames. Even with no editing skills, you can offer content creation services to YouTubers, brands, or influencers. Video editing is often expensive and complicated. Transform into a full-service video creator without expensive equipment or software. Create high-quality videos in less than an hour. You could be earning $500 per video, all with the help of AI. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, this next tool takes it to another level. Number 4. Adobe Podcast Audio Enhancer. Adobe Podcast Audio Enhancer is an advanced AI tool that optimizes audio recordings for a professional sound. It effortlessly removes background noise and enhances vocal clarity. This tool is ideal for podcasters, content creators, and professionals seeking broadcast-quality sound. How you can make money. Use it to monetize your online content by offering professional audio editing services or enhancing your own content for better engagement and ad revenue. Adobe Podcast Audio Enhancer's AI capabilities can transform low-quality audio into high-quality sound, making it a game-changer in the fast-paced world of content creation. It uses AI to reduce background noise by up to 90%, and its simple interface allows anyone to create professional audio without expensive equipment or extensive editing skills. This next tool will take your business to new heights. Get ready for a big reveal. 5. Creator Kit. Creator Kit is designed to help businesses and marketers create high-converting ad creatives. It provides templates and AI-generated suggestions for social media ads and posts. How you can make money. Offer ad creation services to brands or use it to boost your own ad campaigns, driving more traffic and sales. Running ads requires constant testing and tweaking to see results. Imagine creating effective ad campaigns in minutes that would normally take hours to perfect. Boost ad performance by 30%. Become an ad creation machine and increase client conversions effortlessly. If you've been waiting for the ultimate AI tool, trust me, this next one is worth the wait. 6. Replicate. Replicate offers access to a wide variety of AI models, enabling developers and entrepreneurs to integrate AI into their applications without needing technical expertise. How you can make money. You can create SaaS products, AI-based services, or even offer consulting, all by leveraging Replicate's library of models. Developing AI tools is often too expensive for startups. Access cutting-edge AI without the high development costs, and sell AI-powered solutions. Cut down on 80% of development time for AI projects. You've seen some cool tools already, but this next one is next-level awesome. 7. Brand Crowd. Brand Crowd is an AI-driven logo maker that helps you generate professional logos, business cards, and branding assets in minutes. How you can make money. Offer branding services to startups and entrepreneurs, delivering high-quality designs without the need for a graphic design background. Branding is essential but often costly for new businesses. Deliver logos and branding materials in minutes and charge premium rates. Create 10 logos in under 30 minutes. Buckle up, because the next tool is going to revolutionize the way you do business and works well with journalist AI. 8. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 helps you turn long-form content, such as blog posts or podcasts, into engaging video content, automatically adding visuals, transitions, and captions. How you can make money. Charge clients for video creation services or grow your brand by repurposing your existing content into videos. Video production is typically expensive and requires expertise. Become a full-service content creator, producing videos without video editing knowledge. Convert a blog into a video in under 10 minutes. Get excited because the next tool can boost your income like never before. 9. Predis.ai. Predis.ai is an AI tool that generates social media content ideas, captions, and strategies for maximizing engagement. How you can make money. Offer social media management services or create your own content calendars to grow your online presence and attract brand deals. Social media content creation is time-consuming. Automate your content creation and free up your time for other money-making ventures. Generate 30 days of content in less than 20 minutes. Think that's impressive? Wait until you see what's coming next. Number 10. Mubert. Mubert creates royalty-free music tailored to your needs. The music is AI-generated, meaning you can customize soundtracks for videos, podcasts, or apps. How you can make money. Create and sell custom soundtracks, offer royalty-free music services, or enhance your content with high-quality background music. Finding high-quality, royalty-free music is a constant struggle. With Mubert, you can generate professional music tracks for any project in minutes. Generate music for as little as $20 per track. You won't believe what this next AI tool can do. It's a total game changer. 11. Krea is an AI platform that helps creators find visual inspiration for designs, marketing campaigns, and creative projects. How you can make money. Offer creative direction services or streamline your own design process with AI-generated mood boards. Creative blocks can delay design projects. Krea helps you generate creative concepts fast, leading to quicker project delivery. Cut down the brainstorming phase by 50%. Hold on to your seat because the next tool is a real game changer for entrepreneurs and business owners. 12. Hostinger. Hostinger offers affordable and AI-driven web hosting solutions ideal for starting websites, blogs, or e-commerce platforms. How you can make money. Launch affiliate websites, online stores, or offer web development services with built-in AI tools. Web hosting can be expensive and slow for beginners. Get your site up and running fast with AI-optimized hosting. Save up to 60% on hosting costs compared to competitors. You won't believe what's coming next. It's the ultimate AI solution for creators. 13. Invideo AI. Invideo AI offers a fully automated video creation service, transforming text into engaging video content in minutes. How you can make money. Create and sell videos for businesses, content creators, or use them to expand your personal brand's reach. Video production is time-intensive. Invideo cuts that time by more than half, letting you focus on generating more income. Create a video in 15 minutes or less. If you're impressed so far, the next tool is going to leave you speechless. 14. Suno AI. Suno AI generates high-quality, lifelike voiceovers for your videos or presentations. How you can make money. Offer voiceover services or enhance your content with natural-sounding narration, saving you time and money on hiring talent. High-quality voiceovers are usually expensive and take time. Get professional-grade voiceovers instantly with Suno AI. Generate a voiceover in seconds for as low as $10. The next tool is a hidden gem that will skyrocket your productivity. 15. Gamma App. Gamma App transforms ordinary slide decks into interactive, visually stunning presentations. How you can make money: sell professional presentation services to corporate clients, educators, or use Gamma to create webinars or online courses. Boring presentations lose engagement. Create presentations that captivate and convert. Boost engagement rates by up to 70%. Get ready, because this next tool will change the way you think about AI. 16. Perplexity AI. What it does. Perplexity AI is a cutting-edge search engine that uses advanced AI to give concise, relevant answers to user queries. Instead of sifting through pages of search results, Perplexity AI narrows down the most pertinent information instantly, helping you find answers more efficiently. How you can make money. By integrating Perplexity AI into your workflow, you can speed up your research and knowledge-gathering processes, especially if you're a blogger, consultant, or researcher. Use it to provide more accurate and comprehensive insights to clients or your audience, saving you time and increasing your efficiency. Searching for reliable, accurate information takes too long. Perplexity AI can dramatically cut your research time while delivering the most accurate insights for your content or projects. Reduce your research time by up to 80%, giving you more time to focus on creating revenue-generating activities. Imagine becoming the go-to expert in your field by always having the latest, most accurate data, thanks to Perplexity AI. What's coming next is nothing short of groundbreaking. You won't want to miss it. 17. Synthesia AI. Synthesia AI allows you to create professional AI-generated videos with human-like avatars. You can input text, and the AI will generate a lifelike person presenting the information. How you can make money. Use Synthesia to create engaging training videos, marketing videos, or YouTube content for clients or your brand. You could even offer personalized video greetings for businesses looking for a unique customer experience. Hiring actors or filming professional-grade videos is costly. With Synthesia, you can create human-like videos without needing to hire actors, saving on costs while increasing production speed. Create a polished professional video in under 10 minutes and charge clients anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per video. Just when you think it can't get better, the next tool steps in and raises the bar. 18. Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly allows you to create stunning AI-generated images, art, and design elements with ease. This tool integrates into Adobe's suite, giving you professional-grade visuals in seconds. How you can make money. As a freelance designer, you can leverage Firefly to produce fast and high-quality graphics for clients, from logos to social media content. Designers often spend hours crafting visuals. Firefly empowers you to create visuals at lightning speed, boosting your productivity and income potential. 80% faster design output for clients. The visual content market is booming, and now is the time to dive in. Prepare to be amazed. This next tool will completely redefine how you make money online. 19. Runway. Runway is an AI-powered creative suite that simplifies video editing, VFX, and motion graphics. It's designed to handle complex visual effects and tasks that usually take a high level of skill. How you can make money. Offer VFX services, create short films, or enhance your clients' visual marketing campaigns using Runway. You can turn a simple idea into a cinematic experience without needing extensive technical skills. Learning complex video editing software can take years. Runway simplifies the process, allowing even beginners to create professional-grade visuals. Get up to 3x more video projects done per week with Runway's automation features. The demand for video marketing is growing fast. Now's the time to leverage your skills. If you thought that tool was revolutionary, the next one will blow your mind. 20. Heygen. Heygen is an AI tool that creates high-quality video avatars to represent real people or characters in video content. It allows you to generate videos with lifelike avatars from simple text input. How you can make money. Offer avatar-based video content for brands or influencers. Create educational or explainer videos without the need for on-screen actors, making your production process cheaper and faster. Video production costs are often too high for small businesses. With Heygen, you can provide high-quality avatar-led videos at a fraction of the cost, increasing your profit margins. Produce fully customized avatar videos in less than an hour. Picture having the ability to create a character for your content available 24/7 without ever needing to film or hire talent. Now that you've seen how these powerful AI tools can help you build your own business, which one stands out to you? Is it the tool that saves you hours of research? Or maybe it's the one that turns your blog into a money-making machine. Share in the comments below which AI tool excites you the most and why. Let's spark a conversation. There you have it, 20 AI tools that are going to change the game for making money online in 2025. Whether you're starting a blog, designing logos, creating videos, or managing social media, these AI tools can transform how you work, saving you time and making you more money. If you're ready to get started, I've linked all these tools in the description below for your convenience. And don't forget to try Journalist AI for free. It's the ultimate tool for growing your blog empire and automating your content strategy. Click the first link in the description to start using it today.